Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Shane, and in the spirit of Valentine's Day coming around, I wanted to sit down and create a very romantic and inspired look from the holiday. Now, some people are such grouches about Valentine's Day. Even if you're single, I've always loved Valentine's Day. Even as a kid, I loved like handing out and receiving the little cards in school. I just always loved Valentine's Day. And I feel like if you're single, so what? Take a couple of your girlfriends out, get dressed up, and have a really good day. So I feel like anyone can enjoy this holiday. I really love it. Now today I created this look using the New Nude by Huda Beauty palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. To start off today's look, I decided to start with the brows first. So using my CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the color called Rich Brown, I'm going to help fill and shape my brows. Then using my Morphe 124 flat shader brush and my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, I'm going to use the product to help me further shape my brows, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids, acting as our eyeshadow base, blending it all out using a fluffy brush. Diving into our palette, the first color I'm picking up is Raw on my Morphe 507 brush, and I'm going to sweep this into the crease as well as the outer corner. On the same brush picking up Tickle, I'm going to sweep this just on the edges of Raw, continuing to smoke and blend the colors outwards. Then going into Love Bite to deepen out my outer V even further. Going into the concealer again, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to bring it about halfway. Back into the color Tickle, I'm going to pack this color right on the edge of that cut crease. Then going into Fantasy, I'm going to pack this all over my lid. And to get even closer to my crease, I'm going to take it on a stiffer brush as well. Using a makeup wipe to remove any fallout. And then I'm going to add 2 coats of mascara to my top lashes using L'Oreal's Telescopic. For lashes today, I'm using Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Once my lashes are on, I'm going to start working on the face, and I'm going to prime. Now because I just came back from vacation, I'm kind of in between colors, so I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me foundations number 122, 125, and 128. 122 seemed like it was the closest match. 125 was a little too yellow, and 128 was even more yellow, so I ended up going with 122. After removing the foundation, I'm going to have to add just a little bit more primer, my bad. Going into 122, I'm going to dot this all over my face and then blend it out using my Beauty Blender. A little bit of concealer underneath my eyes as well as the T-zone of my face, and then once again blending it all out. For cream contour today, I'm using my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I added way too much on one side of my face, so I'm going to kind of use the brush to disperse the product around the rest of my contour areas. And spritzing my Real Techniques brush with a little bit of setting spray, this is going to help me blend out that cream contour. Even at this point, if it's still a little bit too harsh, I always follow up my Beauty Blender to soften it even further. Because I'm a little bit darker today, I am going with my Airspun translucent powder to set my face. Then for my waterline, I wanted to add a little bit of color. So I'm using this NYX Faux White in a color called Lavender Blush. I'm also dragging it underneath my lash line as well as my inner corner. Back into our palette. I'm going into Fantasy once again, and I'm going to pack this on my inner corner. Then picking up my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm actually going to use this little rubber spatula tool. I don't like using my brushes if I'm working with glues. So I'm taking a little bit of the primer and sweeping it on my lower lash line, and then I'm going into this glitter shade called Infatuated on my Morphe 321 brush, and I'm just going to basically pack the color on. At this point, you can go ahead and wipe away any excess powder. I'm going to add a little bit of black liner to my lash line, and I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It's not my favorite because it tends to crack after a while, but it gets the job done. To bronze up my face, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physician Formula. And to finish up the eyes, I'm adding a little more mascara to my bottom lashes as well. And then for just a flush of color on my cheeks, I'm using the Milani blush in No. 1 Romantic Rose. For my lips, I'm going into Morphe's Virgin. And for highlighter, I'm using a new product. This is the NYX Candy Cloud. Honestly, it was a little bit subtle, so I used my setting spray to spray the product on the brush and then to pack it on even further. It kind of helped achieve a better glow, and I added a little bit of highlight to my brow bones as well. And last but not least, we're gonna set our makeup. So this is the final look, you guys. I wanted to add the glitter just to kind of give it a little pop of something else. To me, I would wear this day or night. I know for some people this is a little bit much, and that's completely understandable. You could totally take away the glitter and just add like a lighter shade, or how I use like the light pink underneath my lash line. You could opt for something like that. That is totally doable. But I hope you guys enjoyed how this look came out. I am considering doing another Valentine's Day look this year, but like a more kind of laid back. I really wanted to do like a nice bold red lip with some, you know, kind of muted on the top maybe, so more of like a daytime look. I'm getting worried that I'm gonna run out of time because I'm trying to push so many Valentine's Day videos out, but if I definitely find the time, for sure, I'll get that out to you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please show me by leaving a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any new videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!